Hi, I'm Jessie with Lalilo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to invite parents so that students can access Lalilo at home. What you'll need to do is go to the resources button on your teacher homepage, click on invite parents, and then you have two options. If you are going to be in person with your students, then you can just click here on print all invitations, and you can print these invitations out and send them home with your students. They have all the information that your students' families will need to help them access Lalilo at home, including their individual home access code. Students will enter this home access code in when they click on Login and choose I'm a student at home. This will allow them to go straight to their own individual Lalilo account and get started playing. You can also have the option to email these invitations to parents as well. So if you just enter in the parent's email address and then click send, the invitation will automatically get sent to all your students' families.